How to view browsing history in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can view it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Here on the right top, select on account. So we are in this account settings. Slowly scroll down. So here you'll be able to find different options. Now simply tap on browsing history. So it is right here. So this is the place where it shows how much browsing you have done and what products you have looked out. So these are the products that I have looked out. So everything that you browse or the product that you tap or choose or even look out will appear here. So this is easy so that later you can find it out what you were watching or what you wanted to buy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.